I had a question. What is the distinction made in verse 21 between Adonai and Shaddai?
Shaddai, when Shaddai is normally used, it's used in the form of an oath. And as you know, you don't say an oath unless you cannot break it. And he's saying personally that God caused this to happen to me. When you speak of Adonai, God, that is personal. That's a personal person to me. I don't use the term Shaddai, even though what was that song that Amy Grant did or whatever?
Oh
El
yeah,
Shaddai.
El Shaddai.
But in Jewish thought of that period, you didn't use Shaddai unless you were laying a problem directly on God, right? God caused this, not I caused it. And this whole statement that's rolled in here, today there's a very formal process for becoming one of the tribe, for conversion. It's about a 3-year process, has been ever since the time of Paul. That's why Paul was complaining about it. About a 3-year process. This statement here, where she says, "Your God will be my God," is the statement that that was required for conversion at that time period. And so that's really why the shift of the word from Shaddai to Adonai was used.